Mabuhay, and welcome to Taal, Batangas. I'm Lance LJ Enriquez, and I will be your guide today as we explore some of Taal most treasured spots.
It's a pleasure to meet you. I've heard wonderful things about Taal.
Here we are at the Taal Basilica of officially known as the Minor Basilica of Saint Martin of Tours. Did you know this is one of the largest churches in Asia?
Wow, it's massive. What's the story behind it?
Its origin date back to 16th century, but the ground structure you see today was completed in the 19th century, replacing the original that was damaged. Step inside to admire the ornate altar classic structure and climb the bell tower for a panoramic view of Taal.
Incredible. You can really feel the weight of history in this place.
Now let's talk about Nonocasto. The legend behind this place, we have a great view of CML Beach Resort and the surrounding area for here. Notice the Taal Lake in the distance. Well, Nonocasto is the name of this area, and a local legend is said he's a guardian spirit of this land, watching over the community, the sea, and even Taal Lake.
That's incredible. It's more than just a beach then. It's a place with a story that connects the whole region.
In a way, yes, the people here have a deep respect for nature, understanding its power and its beauty. Nonocasto represents that connection. CML Beach Resort being here in Nonocasto is part of that story. It's a place where you can relax, enjoy the scenery, and feel the spirit of the land. Just a short walk away is the Pickleball Museum, another gem in Taal Historical Crown.
What I'm going to expect to see there?
The Pickleball Museum showcases the life and work of the Pickleball family who play significant role in Philippine history, particularly during the Revolution. You see memorabilia, documents, and personal belongings that tell the story of their patriotism and contribution to the nation.
This is amazing. This is not only about the story of this place.
Mabuhay! I'm J. Clarence J. Salazar, ready to take you on a delicious journey through Taal's best eat. After all that exploring, it's time to refuel. We are heading to A.H. Lomi House and culinary landmark here in Taal.
I've heard so much about their lomi. Wait, I didn't know that you are here.
A.H. Lomi House is famous for its rich, flavorful lomi, a most tried dish when visiting Taal. JBV perfected the recipe of over the years using fresh local ingredients.
I can't wait to try it.
That warps up our tour of Taal from the historic basilica and ancestral houses to the delicious lomi.
I really enjoy it. Thank you all for showing me around.
And I hope you enjoy the taste of Taal.
Taal truly offer a perfect mix of history, flavor, and culture. Until next time, see you in Taal.